Hello everyone. Delivery method restriction app helps you to restrict delivery method for the specific customers or a user. The selected delivery method in the customer page will be visible in the e-commerce checkout page. So let's complete the configuration part first. For that we need to get into the delivery method, which is in the website page. Under configurations we can see a shipment methods. These are the delivery methods which are predefinedly created. This is the one I have created a new. So from here we need to tick on that is public tick box, then it will be visible for all the users in the e-commerce checkout. For restriction purpose we need to get into the customers, okay, and here you can see end customers. So this is the one which I have created as a new customer. So for this customer we need to configure or select multiple delivery methods from the particular customer. So this is for this particular customer having the access for these 3 delivery methods. Okay, so let us see the same in the website page. So for getting into the website, let me get into the website, and from here you can see and shop. So I'm going to add a cart for a new product. Okay, let me add this product into the cart, and from here you can see in process checkout option is also available, right? So from here you can see, that is, you can see in the e-commerce checkout only public delivery methods and user specific delivery methods are visible. In this way, we can make use of this module to restrict the delivery method for the customers. Thank you for watching.